In this video, we will review setting up a rolling replenishment list for one of our fleet locations. Within the desktop application, there are two ways to set up and manage your rolling replenishment lists. The first would be navigating to Stock, selecting the Fleet tab, opening up one of the fleet locations, and on the top row, navigating over to the three dots, and then selecting Set Up Rolling Replenishment. Here, we will see no lists are currently being built for this test truck 2015. Let's create a new one. First, we must choose our source warehouse that will be supplying this truck. The next setting is creating a pick list or a purchase order to make this fulfillment. We're going to move forward with creating a pick list. The next three settings apply to how this pick list is going to be generated. Usage means that as stock is used off of this location, this list will be built based off of that stock to replenish it. The min settings means whenever stock falls to or below the defined minimum threshold for this location, that stock will now appear to be replenished on the rolling replenishment list. And the max settings mean that whenever an item falls below its max setting, it will hit the rolling replenishment list to bring it back up to that max set. The schedule means how often we want this list to run, daily, weekly, monthly, or we can create a custom frequency. In this instance, we're going to create a list that runs every night at 7 p.m. starting today. Once we confirm, we will now be brought back to the previous screen to see that this rolling replenishment list will now run daily at 7 p.m. as a pick list based off of usage for this test truck 2015, with the source being the Allied Experts JFC primary warehouse. Here, clicking on the three dots, we can then go in and edit these settings. We can force this list to be ran now, or we can delete it. The other place where we can manage our rolling replenishment lists is in Settings. Click on the Automations, and then the Rolling Replenishment tab. Here, now we will see holistically across our entire network all the different rolling replenishments that are being ran and the specifics of each.